Hello everyone, welcome to Indian Talent Olympiad. Today we will go through the round 1 question papers of ITO's General Knowledge International Olympiad for class 6. The question paper consists of 50 questions in which 35 questions are of subjective, 10 questions are of logical reasoning and 5 questions are of high order thinking. This 50 question exam holds 50 marks. So let us begin. You can write the answers one by one in a notebook or a blank piece of paper and then compare them with the answer key provided at the end of this question paper. Question 1. Sahyadri Hills are also known as. Question 2. Whose former colony was Diu? Question 3. In which year was the East India Company established? Question 4. When did the Jallianwala Bagh tragedy take place? Question 5. Who was the second President of India? Question 6. Which dance form from Maharashtra is only performed by women? Question 7. Which year saw the Indo-Pak War? Question 8. How is the age of a tree determined? Question 9. A group of monuments in Karnataka was once a seat of the Vijayanagar Empire. Name them. Question 10. Who was also known as the Man of Peace? Question 11. What is the common name of Soln tuberosum? Question 12. What is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Island? Question 13. Exposure to sunlight helps a person improve his health because. Question 14. In cricket, the two sets of wickets are. Question 15. Mount Everest was captured by Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay in the year. Question 16. Most commonly used bleaching agent is. Question 17. The World Environment Day is celebrated on. Question 18. Who has been India's longest serving women chief minister? Question 19. In the Mahabharata, who acquired the strength of 8,000 elephants after drinking the elixir given to him by Nagraj Vasugi? Question 20. Starting from the least, arrange these sporting events in increasing order of the number of players in the playing area during a game. Question 21. Which is the only country whose postage stamps do not feature the name of the country issuing them? Question 22. Which of these parties' symbol is in the shape of a living animal? Question 23. Starting with the northernmost, arrange these places of India from north to south. Question 24. Which of this is a unit of weight and also a unit of currency in Great Britain? Question 25. Starting from southernmost, arrange these state capitals from south to north. Question 26. Which one of these states is the largest in area? Question 27. Arrange these states in the increasing order of members they send to the Lok Sabha. Question 28. Which of these neighboring countries of India is the smallest in terms of area? Question 29. Who is the all in Lok Sabha? Question 30. At which place of India the Dutch first established their hold in 1605? Question 31. Which metal is used to make electric bulb filaments? Question 32. Which metal is the best conductor of electric current? Question 33. According to Ramayana, who was Bharat's wife? Question 34. Which among the following is not a mammal? Question 35. Hirakund Dam at Sambalpur in Orissa, the longest dam in India, is built across which river? Question 36. Which European country is known as Land of 1,000 Lakes? Question 37. Ornithology is the study of. Question 38. When did Mother Teresa win the Nobel Peace Prize? Question 39. The first Indian woman to scale Mount Everest was. Question 40. The world's smallest country is. Question 41. The first Indian satellite was. Question 42. Gir National Park is situated in. Question 43. What number comes inside the circle? Question 44. Which number is the odd one out in each oval? Question 45. Which number replaces the question mark? Question 46. Which letter replaces the question mark? Question 47. If A plus B means A is the sister of B, A multiplied by B means A is the wife of B, A divided by B means A is the father of B, and A subtracted by B means A is the brother of B, which of the following means T is the daughter of P? Question 48. Pointing to a woman, Abhijit said, "Her granddaughter is the only daughter of my brother." How is the woman related to Abhijit? Question 49. If Rose is coded as 6821, Chair is coded as 73456 and Preach is coded as 961473, what will be the code for Search? Question 50. A. 134 means you are well. B. 758 means they go home. C. 839 means we are home. Which of the statements can be dispensed with while answering the above question? Now we have completed the question paper. You can cross-check your answers in the next image. Now you can opt for a wide range of study materials from Indian Talent Olympiad offered for international Olympiads. We provide workbooks, previous year question paper sets, monthly Olympiad practice test series, and power packs. To purchase this study material, visit Indian Talent Olympiad's official website. We have provided the link in the description box below.